Congratulations, you made it to the end of the HTML section of the course. Well, that's fantastic. Now we are going to look at the project for this part of the course and we're going to make a website. It will not be the most beautiful website in the world, let's be honest, and it will look like a bit of 90s, but it will contain almost all the things you have learned so far. Now, as this is our first project, I just want to say a few words about how I think you should use the projects. My advice would be not to follow along the videos and do exactly what I do. I'm going to show you how to do on the videos so that you can follow along when you get stuck. But I think it's much more beneficial if you can actually build the website yourself. Just going back and looking over what you have learned, it's up to you, of course, which way you want to do it. You might want to build a completely different website, as I think the one which I will be creating will be pretty dull, and you might want to build something which is a bit more personal to you. But the important thing is that you do as much things as you can yourself and only check back into these videos when you need to. So without any further delay, I would like to continue. I'm going to start with the code of example.com. But I'm going to get rid of all the styling and code which I don't need, like the style of course, and I also don't need these things. We can keep div or not, it's up to you. Let's change the title. I'm going to make a simple website related to a game, so let's change the title. And if we look it in the web browser, sorry, uh, ah, it's a blank page, but you can see the title here, Euro Truck Simulator 2. So first of all, I would like to put a heading h1 and another heading of second level h2. Let's see. Here's the heading and here's some description. Let me correct the spelling. Now I would like to put an image. I have already put image here, and image source is equal to images 1.png. Let's let me resize so that it should be bit what do you say, smaller. Width is equal to 300 pixels. Let's make it bigger than that. I think 600 would be fine. Okay. uh, but no, let's make it 500 pixels. So after the image, let's put let's put some information about the game. Let me copy it from Wikipedia. And I will put it in the paragraph tag. Now if we refresh it in the browser, here's my paragraph, and now I will put a horizontal row, I mean horizontal line, and there it is. Now let's put some unordered list and first of all give them a heading. I think H2 will be fine. mm, what should we make for unordered list? Let's see. I think the game platforms. Unordered UL for unordered list. I think this game is on PC, Linux, and Mac. Let's have a look. There it is, and another horizontal line. And now let's make an ordered list with uh, what should I make ordered list for? um, I think game expansions. OL for order list will be going east and Scandinavia. Let's have a look. Okay, we have got platforms, we have got expansions, ordered list, unordered list, paragraph, image, H2 and H1, and title. Okay, let's put another horizontal line, and now what should we add? Let's add a table. I think the communities and number of users will be fine. First row will be the header of the table, community, and users. Table that tr for table row and td for table data. First community will be Steam, and the number of users on Steam are currently 11,175. And Facebook 610k. Let me just copy so you don't have to see me typing here and again. One is for Twitter, YouTube, and Twitter. YouTube, Twitter, 56k on YouTube and 18k on Twitter. Let's have a look. Okay, this is our table, community and users. uh, I think only forms are left, so let's put another horizontal line here, and let's use the form as a link to something. So official website, and form will put a button, input type is equal to submit, and value is equal to click. Let's have a look. Okay, here we have the official website and the click here button. Currently it is not doing anything, So let's just give it a link to the official website. How can we do that? I haven't told you about the action attribute of the form. What it does is perform a specific action when you click on the button. So in this case we'll just use it as a link. Mm, okay, let's check it in the browser now. Okay, it takes me to the Euro Truck Simulator 2 website. Let's go back. So now I think I have covered almost everything. Let's just make this community column bold, and do that with the strong tag. Let me just copy. Okay, let's have a look. Now these are in bold. um, let's just put a video somewhere. uh, let's just put the trailer of the game. Share, embed, and here's the code. Let's just put it on the top. mm, Another attribute which is called align. Let's give it the right alignment, and now let's have a look. There it is. So we have got header, iframe, video using iframe, image, a paragraph, this horizontal line, and this unordered list, ordered list, table, and little form. I think that's enough for this project. If I missed anything, you can try yourself. And so that's the end of the HTML section. If you done this, do send me your links or your projects. I'll be very happy to see them. I hope you enjoyed the HTML section of the course. I have provided the links to documentation files in the description of this video. You can get them and read them for your reference and all. See you in the CSS section of the course.